Hey everybody, thanks for coming to dance with me. I'm Laura and today we're going to learn these classic swing out variations, scissor kicks, and the kick away. Thank you people of Patreon for helping to make this video free for everybody in the world, including people like you. And if you want to help them, the link is in the description. Just so you can see some pros do it, let's check out Norma and Leon doing the kick away in the day at the races. That is good looking. Now the nature of variations in general is that they are not led and both people in the partnership don't have to participate. However, these variations are so common and obvious enough where with some exposure, it can be pretty easy to notice that your partner is initiating and to join in. Brooks and I are gonna start with a kick away. We'll build it up through its component parts, we'll add the basic swing out rhythm, and then we'll do it in the partnership. Feel free to follow along. Start with some kick steps, and here we go. Now take those kicks and send them out. Here we go. Out, out, out. Now add in your basic swing out rhythm. Step, step, triple step, step, and kick, kick, triple step, 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 kick, kick, triple step, 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 kick, kick. Keep going. Now let's put that variation in a swing out. We'll show it to you from a couple of different angles. Now let's go over that classic scissor kick. To us, it's a very similar idea as the kick away, but instead of kicking, you're doing a kick ball change and kick ball change. So we're going to build it up the same way we did last time. Brooks and I will be facing away, and we'll also add in some classic scissor kick variations like toe taps. Feel free to follow along. Start with a kick ball change. Switch. And switch. Now slow motion, kick, step, 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 kick, step, 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 kick, step, 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 kick, step, step, step. Now speed it up, here we go. Kick ball change and 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 kick ball change. Now try doing a toe tap. Now add your basic swing out rhythm. And rock, step, triple step, 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 kick ball change and kick ball change and triple step. Kick ball change and kick ball change and triple step. Kick ball change and kick ball change and triple step. Now add in taps, do whatever kind of variation you want. And let's put it in a swing out. A quick note on the lead and follow. Though the variation is independent, the swing out itself should still maintain a lead and follow relationship. So leaders, try to lead your follower just the way you always do, and followers, try to notice when and where your leader is asking you to go. When Brooks and I do this, Brooks leads me forward. Now that might not be the case for you, and that's totally fine. Just notice what your default is. Now in case you need it, let's break it down a little bit more.
In slow motion we have kick, ball change, and kick, ball change, and kick, ball change, and kick. Or kick, step, 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 kick, step, 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 kick, step, 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 kick. Or side and in and side and in and side and in and side. Kick, ball change, and kick, ball change, and kick, ball change, and kick.
If we add in the basic swing out rhythm,
Rock, step, triple step, 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 kick, ball change, and kick, ball change, and triple step, 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 kick, ball change, and kick, ball change, and triple step.
those kicks are going to be on the 7 and 8 and 1 and 2. So the most important part is recovering with the triple step on the 3 and 4. Even if you don't do the exact same thing, as long as your kicks are on the 7 and 1 and you triple step on the 3 and 4, you'll be in the right place. Also, even though these are swing out variations, to me, these are variations for that open position feeling that a swing out gives you. It's a lot of bunny rabbit ears. Which means it can exist in a 6-count pass, in a circle. Play around with these rhythms and see where they can go. I hope you had fun and learned a lot. If you did, click like and subscribe for the algorithm. If you like the music, it's the Campus 5, and you can find a link to their music in the description. And half of the money that I get from this YouTube channel goes towards organizations that support African diasporic artists and art, because Lindy Hop is a Black dance and that's important to its identity. And the best way to learn how to dance, how to Lindy Hop, is to Lindy Hop.